There is a very famous hadith. You might have heard, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. This hadith says that teaching the Holy Quran, learning things from the Holy Quran, studying the Holy Quran, reciting the Holy Quran, and observing and pondering into the Holy Quran is the best way. You know that Quran is the best book on this planet. Although we may have many books apart from the Holy Quran, but as you go through the Holy Quran, as we go through the chapters of the Holy Quran, and we start learning and entering into the depth of the Holy Quran, we find that Quran is a miracle. It's a sent to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Since it was sent to this planet, the